How to buy DT70B token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the update about this token. Now this token, as you can see, it's available on Tick Screener, and the liquidity here are locked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token came under the Solana network. Now to be able to buy, just copy the token ID from here, open your Phantom wallet, click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, click here and paste the token address as you can see. After that, click on your token and now here enter how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds and you will see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it, and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the DT70B token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.